Right now I want to talk to you about the RAP-B-201. Right now I want to talk to you about the RAP-B-201-A short plastic composite arm. That's this one here in this series, in the plastic. You can see here I have the 3-inch ball center arm. There's the smaller one I want to talk to you about now, which is the 1.75 inch from ball center to ball center. And then there is the 2-inch lightweight arm, which you can see is just a slightly different shape than these other two here. But let's take these other two out of the picture and talk about the short arm. The short arm is basically two halves that are exactly the same. These plastic pieces on the edge with a bolt running through and a tightening knob. So basically the intent on this design here is, let's get a ball, is to connect to a 1-inch ball here on, let me loosen this off, and then with something else with another 1-inch ball on the other end. So I'm going to just get a diamond plate, which is probably the most standard setup. Now as you tighten this up, you can see this knob here tightens up, and you will clamp onto these two 1-inch balls here, giving you the ability to hold this tight in place here around these two balls. What these ball and socket connection also does is dampen any shock that might come up the mount heading over to your electronic device. So this diamond plate here would then connect to a cradle directly to the back, but this is just a shorter arm application rather than the 3-inch. You've now got a 1.75 inch length between ball center to ball center. So it just makes it a little bit smaller and neater mount if that's the length you need. Generally a lot of people use this on a motorcycle because that's the shorter is better in most cases. But that's how RAP for plastic, RAP-B-201A short arm works. I'm going to just remove it from this system, and I just want to show it to you right next to the aluminum version of the same arm. I've got one right here. Let's tighten this up just so you can see apples to apples. And there you have it. You can see these two here are practically identical except for material. There you go, you can see that there. This one being the aluminum, this one being the plastic composite. But ideally, in every sense of the word, this short arm is as good as the aluminum with its strength and with its durability. So there you have it, the RAP-B-201-A short arm.